Let's talk about how to make money on YouTube, even if you have a small channel. So, the first thing you need to do is figure out what you want to talk about. Okay. So, I have my channel, like, I have different interests. So, like, one of my channels is all about my business. Like, this channel is all about my business, and I teach people how to make money online. Okay. So, I'm helping people make money online while I'm sharing my business with other people as well, but I give people tips and tricks and different ways to make money online. So I'm just basically talking about that. So you want your channel to just have one theme, okay? So people will search for your channel and they'll find it. You want as many people as possible to find your channel and watch your videos because if they're watching your videos, this is one way that you're going to make money is because once you have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, then YouTube is going to pay you money just to post content. Okay. You're going to get paid to post content based on like the ads that are inside of your content and things like that, right? So you got to figure out what do you want to talk about? Like, what can you just talk about forever? What are you passionate about? Okay. See, I'm passionate about three things: business, music, okay, and also philosophy. Like I used to be a monk. See my name, Seven Figure Monk. I was a monk for 10 years. Okay. So I could have a channel all about philosophy, talking about like Eastern philosophy and philosophical concepts. I could talk about that all day, every day. I can talk about music. Okay. And I can talk about business and how to help, like how to have help people make money. So you just got to find a topic that you're interested in and then just start creating videos. Okay. And just start doing it, right? And you have ChatGPT too that can help you. Like tell ChatGPT, hey, I want to start a new YouTube channel. Like, what do I need to do? Like, can you break it down step by step? What do I need to do to build my channel, right? So ChatGPT can also help you too. So then once you figure out your topic that you want to talk about, this is when you can also, this is the second way that you can make money with YouTube. Okay. So you're going to start promoting different affiliate offers that are connected to your product, to your topic, whatever your channel is about. Like, let's say I did a channel about music. Okay. Like, see my guitar here? I could have different affiliate links to different like musical gear. I could have affiliate links from like Amazon or different stores because most stores they have affiliate links. Okay. You can be an affiliate for like most items. So I would find like if I was talking about guitars and different gear that I'm using, then I could have affiliate links for like my guitar, for my amp, cables, whatever it is connected to what I'm talking about in my video or just whatever like but whatever the theme of my channel is, if it's about music, I can have all kinds of things. Courses about music, affiliate like offers for links for gear, like for gear and stuff like that. So whatever you're talking about, figure out what you can also promote as an affiliate, like for that topic. Okay. Like maybe your topic is, let's say, travel, for example. Maybe you're just talking, you want to talk all about travel and all the places you've been, all the places that you can go. Well, then you can have like a whole affiliate list of things that you use when you travel, like maybe like, beach towels, little like portable fans and portable travel kits, whatever. So you can become like go to Amazon and just see what you can become an affiliate for, and then you put those affiliate links, okay, inside of the description of your channel. So every time someone goes to your channel and they see the description and they see what you're talking about in your video, maybe you're talking about like your favorite towel that you use when you're traveling. Then you put a link to that you put that affiliate link inside of your description, okay? So so for my channel, like what I do is like I teach people how to make money online, for example. So one of my main offers that I always promote, I teach people there's this offer, it's this program, okay? It's like a business in a box that I promote and it teaches people how to make anywhere from 300 to 600 to $900 a day. Okay? So whenever I'm talking about the business and showing people how to do it, I have the link to my business inside of the description. And then I also have a link to other affiliate offers that might be like that might help them build the business. So whatever is going to help them, like whatever different affiliate offers that I have, like something that's going to help them with their automations so they can make money in their sleep. I'll put all of my affiliate links in the description. So not only can I make money if they purchase one of these things, but also these offers are going to help them because I only promote offers that I actually believe in and that I use myself that help me personally. That's the only thing I would ever promote. I'm not going to promote something that doesn't help me personally, right? I just don't do that. I wouldn't promote something that I wouldn't sell to my mother, right? That's just me. So I share what I think is helpful, something that I actually use myself and that's what I share as my affiliate link. So this is what you need to do if you want to grow on YouTube. Figure out something that you're really passionate about, something that you could talk about for the rest of your life that you would love to create videos about. See, whenever I create videos about business and helping people make money, it's just straight passion, okay? I make videos every day about this and I just love to do it and I just love to learn about how to get better at doing it so I can impact more lives. Okay. If I'm talking about philosophy, I can talk about philosophy all day too. I can talk about music as well. Right. So you got to find that thing that you're passionate about, and then you can monetize it too. So not only will you get paid by YouTube once you have enough watch time, enough subscribers, and enough watch time, but you can also figure out those affiliate offers that are connected to whatever it is you're talking about, and you put those affiliate offers inside of the description in the description of your channel. Okay. And it's just like anything. You just got to keep doing this consistently. Whatever you're building, like building a YouTube channel, building a business, you just got to show up every single day and just try to get better every day. And then do your research, go on ChatGPT, watch different videos, and just figure out how to get really good at building a YouTube channel. And then just have fun with it because you should only build a YouTube channel about something that you're actually passionate about. Okay. So if this is helpful, let me know. Drop it in the comments if this has helped you out in any way, or if you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to learn more about this blueprint that I'm also following, this business that I'm following, that shows you how to make 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. It's the same program that has taught me actually how to start my YouTube channel because we actually have a YouTube like training. Like we teach you how to grow your following on YouTube. We teach you how to grow on social media. So I went through that YouTube training inside of this program, and how I started my YouTube channel by going through that training. So if you want to learn more about this program, because this program is going to help you build your YouTube channel too, because we teach you really how to market and we teach you how to build multiple streams of income. And we also teach you how to build your email list and all that stuff. And you can just resell the program and earn 300, 600, and $900 over and over again through an automated business. So if you want to learn more about that, just go to the link in the description and it will explain everything in detail. Plus, I'm going to send you a freedom formula blueprint, which is going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. And otherwise, make sure you watch the next video connected to this because I'm going to show you different ways that you can make money on YouTube. So make sure to watch the next video. All right. God bless. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video.